Yeah, we won the Innovation Award, and this is a rear axle control arm for BMW E60, E61, for all 6 series and 7 series. And this is a special casted control arm. It's called chill casted. And our recommendation is to change the bushings. If you're looking on the OE bushing, it has a slat. And it's impossible to press it in the garage into this hole because of this slat. This dimension is rough 60 millimeters and this is 51. So it's very hard to press in. You need some special tools. During my investigation I don't found anyone, so we create this idea that we pre-assembled this bushing in this tube. We chamfered also this bushing, so it's very easy to put on this control arm. Then we have our press-in tool, so they can use these tools again, and they just order the single bush.